Okay, team, time to start our research on MS. We need a frame of reference for our European cohort, specifically datasets of Asian descent. Let's get onto Shivom and start our search. Let's search by disease. 5,000 patients. Nice. That's new data for us. Now to choose a pipeline. Wow, they got polygenic risk score. We can run this pipeline after. Okay, G was great. How should we configure the pipeline? Covariates? Check. Logistic? Check. Association? Check. Excellent. Let's call this job MS Study. Okay, final cost is 5,800 tokens. That's cheap. Time to run the analysis. Okay guys, pipeline's running. Why don't we grab a coffee? Well, that was quick. Let's check the results. Oh wow, we got the same hits and more. Great. I'll export it and share our findings with the rest of the team. Go to shivom.io and sign up now for a 30-day free trial.